When learning to tie your shoes with the one-handed shoelace method, it's helpful to have a step stool or something to step onto so that your feet can be closer to your body. Begin by crossing one shoelace over the other to form an X. Tuck the lace that is on top underneath the other to form a knot. Use the other foot to step over the shoelace on the side to hold it tight. Take the other shoelace and pull it in the opposite direction to tighten the knot. Take the loose end and thread it under and around the top of the shoelace to create a small loop. Get the tail and feed it through the loop. Then pull the loop through to tighten the knot. Release the other side and take the tip of the opposite lace to thread it back through the same knot. Then pull it through and pull each of the loops to get the last knot nice and tight. You've tied your shoes.